Welcome to my channel Gadgets Lab. Earnings disclaimer. Kitchen Mama Automatic Electric Can Opener, ergonomic, easy to use and hand-free with smooth edge, battery-operated and portable can opener use for everyday cooking. Effortless can opening. The Kitchen Mama Automatic Can Opener is a reliable hands-free can opening solution, works with 4 AA batteries, not included. Easy operation. Open almost any cans with our electric can opener. Press the button to start. Cuts cleanly around the side of cans leaving smooth edges. Press the button again to stop. Completely hassle-free. Joyful unwrapping. Surprise your loved ones this Christmas with our electric can opener. Ideal gift for wife, mom, or kitchen gadget lovers. Safety design. The blade automatically cuts along the side of can, ensures no food gets touched by the blade, nothing spills out of the can, leaves no sharp edges. User-friendly, ergonomic design. The automatic can opener is designed for easy use without strain, extremely useful for elderly suffering from arthritis and people with gripping issues. Effortless can opening. The Kitchen Mama Automatic Can Opener is a reliable hands-free can opening solution, works with 4 AA batteries, not included. Easy operation. Thanks for watching and subscribe.